G'day, so today's video is just a quick one on how to change a worn out disc on my ET Cycle F1000 e-bike. They're a Tektro 180mm disc and torque screws that fasten the disc to the hub. So we'll just remove those. This bike's almost 5 years old, so it's done lots of work. I have replaced the pads a couple of times, which is quite an easy job, but this is the first time I've done the actual discs, the rotors themselves. So I'll just leave that there for the moment until I get the new disc out of the pack. Just want to identify that there's a rotation indicator on the disc. There is a rotation indicator on the disc, so you just need to make sure that the disc is going back on in the correct direction. Now the disc also comes with some replacement studs, which obviously has a little dab of Loctite on each one. There you go, there's actually a spare one, so if you drop or lose one, you're not in all that much trouble. And there you go. I will just torque those up to 55 inch-pounds or 6.2 Newton meters, and then put the wheel back into the bike, and off we go again for another 5 years, hopefully. Enjoy.